Yo guys, what is going on? It is your boy Radius, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download and install and play Simba Dev, which is one of the latest Fortnite devs. Actually, this is the most popular and reliable Fortnite dev which I know of. There are many Fortnite devs, but this is the one which I trust most likely the most, because if you scroll down to one of my first Fortnite dev videos, which was over 2 years ago, you guys can see the first video I made a Fortnite dev account on, it was on Simba Dev. And this is the exact same dev 2 years later. So I'm going to be making Fortnite dev videos and other modding videos every single day of the entire summer. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you guys are excited. And if you guys want me to heart your comment, comment W and I'll heart your comment. Also, before I just want to give a quick promotion, I am doing an exclusive offers. If you guys go to the description, you guys can see my channel memberships. I offer many perks, including member shoutouts, and even up to gameplay. You guys can be featured in my videos and many perks. Make sure you guys check it out if you guys are interested. And also, there is exclusive Fortnite devs in the membership starting at $3 a month. So if you guys want to make that investment, you guys can check that out in the description. But yeah, this is Simba Dev, and we have every single cosmetic. This is a hybrid server, but I'm going to be trying to go in game, so make sure to watch to the end of the video to see if this dev actually goes in game, and if it does, I will show you guys the exclusive tutorial on how to actually go in game with this dev. But as you guys can see, we have every cosmetic, of course, including the OG styles for Gold Trooper, I believe. We don't edit style, yes we do. We have the OG style for Gold Trooper, and of course with the Gold Trooper we also do include the Skull Trooper, which is right here, the purple style for the Skull Trooper, which is actually absolutely beautiful. And of course we do have the TBD skins. If you guys don't know what these are, these skins will never be out in the game. Some of these are in the game, but these are just like glitch skins that Fortnite just like decided to not put in. But some of these you guys might find familiar. These could be like henchmen in previous seasons, but as you guys can see, I'm gonna try to find, yeah, like this will never be in game, as you guys can see. I don't know, I'm not sure if this is in the game already, but if it is, yeah. And some of these include bosses as well. And then of course guys, every single emote, we show by emotes. You guys can see with every emote. And not only that, we can join our friends' parties. As you can see, I can see all my friends which are online. Unfortunately, I can't join any of their parties right now, but you guys can see that they are online. And before I actually download, alright guys, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually download this. The reason why you guys came to this video, right? So what you guys want to do is you guys want to go into the link. Alright guys, so what you guys want to do is you guys just want to go into the link of the description. You guys want to look for the link that says bit.ly/FN downloads. It will look like this, and it will take you to a little newsletter right here which will include the downloads. So what you want to do is you guys want to type in your email which you want to receive the download on. For example, I'm just going to use this email and then press subscribe. And then once you guys are there, if you guys see other emails pop up, make sure to press select all and subscribe to those as well. But for now, you guys want to go and click download link. And now once you guys are here, just press download. This will take you to my Google Sites page. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is from my other channel, but we're going to be going over these right here. So click the first one, which is Simba Dev. Now this will take you to the actual download for Simba Dev. And then what you guys want to do is you guys want to go on proceed. And then you guys want to download these two things. Go on app install and press download app. So just press save and then download the app. Then the next thing that you want to do is you guys want to make sure you guys have installed that. So just install Buff Gaming onto your device. Next, and then you guys can do that. So when it is done downloading, you guys should see that it has been done. So let's wait for it to verify that you've done that step. And then once you guys have Buff installed, you guys can just create an account quickly. Just sign up with Google or something like that, and then just create an account. And then you guys should be all set. And then as you can see, you have completed that. Next thing that you guys want to do is just press install browser edition. So go and install from Chrome. And you guys can uninstall this after, of course, but just press add extension. And then once it's been extension, you guys press go to destination. That step should take no longer than 3 minutes, so it's super easy. and then go to destination. And then if it takes you to this page, just read one article. So you can just click this and then simply close it out, and then click go to destination, and then eventually click continue to download. Guys, if a bunch of stuff comes up, just keep closing it out until you eventually get to the download. So just download this if you want. I already have Opera installed. I recommend actually downloading Opera because it's actually a really good browser anyway. But whatever it gives you, just go through these steps. It's super simple. And then accept, and then accept. If you guys do have an ad blocker on, I recommend turning that off, and then just wait for the 10 seconds for it to ship. And then you guys can proceed to target. Eventually, guys, it should take you to the destination link, which is right here. And then you guys want to click download. Now this will take you to Simba Dev's link for ties, so then just do these simple steps. This is more of an easier process and shouldn't take as long. So if you guys do, make sure you guys do turn off manage settings and then turn off real-time protection. Once you have real protection turned off, you can restart the download, and then you guys can click the file folder, and then you guys can right click and then press extract to Simba Dev. Now if you guys don't have the option to extract, you guys can go onto your browser and then search out WinRAR. And then once you have searched out WinRAR, just go on WinRAR download and then go on download WinRAR. And then what you guys want to do from here is you guys want to go do the download the free trial. Make sure you guys do the free version. It is completely free, and then just send it to your email, and then you should have WinRAR installed. Now guys, you guys can extract it and then click Simba Dev 7 or whichever one you installed, and then Simba Dev launcher. Now this will take you to a sign up page. If you guys don't have an account, just press register and it will take you to the Simba Dev official page to make an account. If you guys already have an account, you guys can go back onto the login and then enter your credential. You guys can press save info if you would like, and then it should log you into your account. And then you guys can go on to change. Make sure you guys do the Fortnite path selected. If you guys don't, just go on change and then go on to whichever drive you have Fortnite installed. So you guys want to check these, and then you guys want to look for this PC and then go on to local disk or whichever one you have installed, and then you guys can click Fortnite and then click OK. And then now you guys want to log into your Epic Games account, which you want to install a dev account on. So once you log in, it should give your name right here, and then you guys can press launch. Before we launch though, you guys can change the theme of the launcher if you guys want. So we can do a pink or whatever. It doesn't really matter, and it's not that important, but I was just wanting to show you guys that feature. So then you guys should launch Fortnite, and it should launch like this. It's super easy steps. And also guys, if you guys are still watching, make sure to watch the end of the videos, because I'm going to be giving you a secret information to actually go in game with this dev, so make sure not to miss out. Okay guys, so to actually get into in game, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click onto the game thing and then go on island code. And then what you want to do is you guys want to go onto this website. It will be in the link of the description. It is the Fortnite Creative UEFN Maps. I'm not sure if this works, but if it does, I will be super happy. So then you guys want to just click some random code and then press enter and then press play. And then we're going to be ready to run the greater skin, and let's see if it works. And it worked, guys. There you guys go. Thank you guys for watching until the end, but we're going to see if we actually load in. We did got into the loading screen, but we're gonna see if it loads in. Then you have on your account. So guys, don't be worried. And then when you spawn in, it won't be the renegade vehicle. And we got the game. So there is some bugs with this, guys, but it could eventually work. I recommend just keep trying it until it actually works. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and like I said, I'm gonna be uploading Fortnite dev videos every single day, so make sure to turn on notifications and hit the like button and subscribe. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace.